Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok with a photo. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Now guys, press on the plus button right here where you post your videos from, then press on live. Press on live right there. Then guys, make sure you place on effects. Press on effects. I'm showing you how to go live on TikTok with a photo. Then guys, make sure you press on green screen. Press on green screen. And then press on this effect right here. Press on that effect right there. Then guys, press on the plus sign right here to go to your photos so that you can choose one to use it as your TikTok live background. Then guys, choose any photo in your gallery you would like to use on your TikTok live, like that one. After choosing the photo guys, it will look like that one. Make sure you use the behind camera, the back camera, because if you use the front camera, your face will be appearing in front of this photo. If you just want to use the photo as a background, it's okay. You can use the front camera and the photo in the background. But if you don't want to appear on camera, make sure that you turn on the back camera. That's how you can use a photo on your TikTok live. Don't forget to hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.